Hello guys, welcome once again. So today we are looking at this question. We have to solve for x. We have 5 exponent x minus 5x is equal to 15. We have 5 exponent x minus 5x is equal to 15. So we are solving for x in this case. So with this, we can say that 5 exponent x is equal to 15 plus 5x. Okay. Now, I say that 5 exponent x is equal to now 15 and 5. You can say that 5 out, then into brackets 3 plus x. It is. So now we can divide both sides by 5. So dividing both sides by 5, this 5 replaces this, leaving 5 exponent x upon 5, it is equal to 3 plus x. Okay. Now, with this, we can rewrite it as 5 exponent x multiplied by 5 exponent negative 1, and it's equal to 3 plus x. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe so that we go more better together. Now, let's continue. So, with this, we have 5 exponent x and 5 exponent y. We can write it as 5 exponent x minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus x. Okay, now say that let y is equal to 3 plus x. Okay, now from here, let's make x the subject. So x is equal to y minus 3. Okay, so now let's replace x by y minus 3. So you're going to get 5 exponent y minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to y. Okay, so 5 exponent y minus 3 minus 1 is 4, which is equal to y. So now y exponent 3 minus 4, we can write it as 5 exponent y multiplied by 5 exponent negative 4, and it's equal to y. Okay, now let's divide both sides by 5 exponents y. 5 exponents y. So you can see that this 5 exponent y will cancel this 5. So you get 5 exponent negative 4, it is equal to, with this, the same as y multiplied by 5 exponent negative y. Okay. So now we have 5 exponent negative 4 is equal to y multiplying by this 5 exponent y. Can rewrite it as natural log of ln 5 exponent y. Okay, negative y. Okay, so now let us write this. So we are going to get 5 exponent 4 is equal to y multiplied by natural log of, so this is exponent negative y, so it will be negative y ln 5. This. Okay. Now, let us multiply both sides of the equation by ln negative ln 5. Okay. Let us multiply both sides by negative ln 5. By doing so, we are going to get 5 exponent negative 4 multiplied by ln 5, which is equal to y multiplied by natural log of negative y ln 5 multiplying by length -5. Okay, so now our equation becomes negative, okay, -5 exponent -4 ln 5 is equal to this multiply. We are going to get negative y ln 5 natural log of negative y ln 5. So looking at this, you can see that this exponent is the same as this. Okay, so we now introduce the Lambert W function. Okay, Lambert W function, which says that W function to bracket A multiplied by A exponent A is equal to A. Okay, so applying this, we're going to get Lambert function to bracket -5 exponent -4 ln 5, which is equal to Lambert function negative y ln 5 multiplied by natural log of negative y ln 5. This. Okay, so now we have W function to make a -5 exponent 4 ln 5, which is equal to, so this, the answer is negative y ln 5. Now, looking at this -5 exponent 4, -5 exponent -4, we can rewrite it 5 exponent 1 multiplied by 5 exponent -5 like this. Okay, so now let us replace our negative 5 exponent -4 by this expression. So we're going to get W into brackets -5 exponent 1 multiplying by 5 exponent -5 ln 5, which is equal to negative y ln 5. Like this. I hope we are following. Okay, so now our W function into bracket 5 exponent -5 ln 5 exponent -5 is equal to negative y ln 5. Now let us interchange the positions. Okay, so we are going to get W function ln 5 exponent -5 multiplying by, now this 5 exponent -5, we can rewrite this as natural log of ln 5 exponent -5, okay, into bracket is equal to minus y ln 5. So now we are applying the Lambert function, W function here, and see that our A is this, the same as this. So it's going to be ln 5 exponent -5, which is equal to negative y ln 5. Okay. Now we decide to divide both sides by, let's get on 4. So yeah, now with this we can rewrite it as 5, okay, -5 ln 5 is equal to negative y ln 5. Now we divide both sides by negative ln 5. Okay, so dividing both sides by negative ln 5, and so the negative will cancel this, then ln 5 will cancel ln 5, and also to cancel, then line 5 will cancel line 5 here. So I can say that 5 is equal to y. Now let's recall. We said that 3 plus x is equal to 5. Okay, and in this case, our y is 5. So we say that 3 plus x is equal to 5. So our x is equal to 5 minus 3. So x is equal to 2. This is our final answer for x. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tricky and exciting questions.